incident that has taken place today in Ambaji, Chandravada has left everybody shell-shocked. A double murder. And this takes me back to some of the other incidents which have taken place, criminal cases which have taken place in and around Fatorda in the last 1 month. एक केस आशिल्ले आमचे गँगस्टराचे, where there was a gangster shootout आणि पुलीस तेन्नाच थंय जाग्यार पावली आणि म्हणून ते साल्वार जाले आणि then there was subsequently in the next few days 12 people were arrested, gangsters. असले आमची परिस्थिती की गँगस्टर्स आसा आणि त्याच्या उपरांत 20th फेब्रुवारीचेर आतांच 20th फेब्रुवारीचेर आणि एक केस जाल्ली where there were 4 criminals in the dead of the night, 3 a.m. They went and attacked the home of a reputed person, a principal, where they have then burnt his car. ताचे गाडी तेणी 4 जाणांनी लासोइन काडले. It's a big crime carrying 10 years of imprisonment. पण त्या क्रायमान पुलिसान कांयच एक्शन घेतले ना. फॉरेन्सिक केले हय, पण कांयच अरेस्ट जावंक ना आणि ते क्रायमान तिणें धाकलेशें एक सेक्शन घालून सायडीक केलां. इफ द क्रायम्स गो अनपनिश्ड देन वॉट इज द कॉन्सिक्वन्स. आनी ते दिसाचेर हांव गेल्लें पुलीस स्टेशनान आनी म्हाका पुलिसान स्वता म्हणलें, अरे इट्स ओन्ली कार बर्निंग, नोबडी डायड. बट टुडे लूक एट द सिट्युएशन where there have been 2 murders in my Ambaji area, Chandravada. So must we wait for there to be murders and 2 murders? Ani konak ती लोकांनी मारला हांगा. He was a senior citizen and a God-fearing person, very active in the church. जायत social work करतालो तो. आणि ताची mother-in-law, she was aged, infirm. ती 85 yearsची, ताका मारून उडयले. And in a very heinous manner, they have used a hammer and then they have also tried to, from local reports I am hearing, that they were trying to cut them also. आणि मागीर आय थिंक तांकां जावंक ना म्हूण तेणें बॉडीज एक जाग्यार धरून ताचेर कापेट धरले. And that's it, and they fled the scene. No arrests. There will be arrests. I am sure that the police are going to arrest these people. But मागीर कितें जाता? Only when there is a murder there are arrests. आणि दुसरे क्रायमाक कांयच इन्वेस्टिगेशन जावपा न्ही. As of 20th February for the year 2021 there were 18 cases pending in the Fatorda police station. 18 cases. So new cases, and that means at the rate of 10 cases per month around average. म्हळ्यार 10 cases solve करूं जायना. कितें चल्लां मागीर आनी सॉल्व करूं जायना जाल्यार आमी कितें करपाचें? बिकॉज पुलीस आर सेयिंग दॅट दे आर पेट्रोलिंग लिटल बीट. इट्स नॉट व्हेरी इफेक्टीव, इट इज नॉट ऑफन. एंड डिस्पायट पेट्रोलिंग जर अशें घटना घडटा म्हणल्यार ताचें अर्थ कितें? देर इज lack of protection from the police in this area. This area is not being looked at by the police. Yes, murders can take place anywhere, it can happen, no doubt, but there is a pattern in which the people, the accused, the criminals operate. जे हिस्ट्री शीटर्स आसा तांकां कळटा, ओके हांवें दाखलें कितें केलें जाल्यार पुलीस म्हाका कांयच करना म्हूण मागीर ते एम्बोल्डन जाता आनी मागीर ते आनी पण करता. आनी दुसरे क्रिमिनल जे आसा तांकां दिश्टी पडटा न्ही, अच्छा पुलीस कांय करना, ताका कांय केलें ना, ताकाय कांय केलें ना म्हळ्यार म्हाकाय अशें करपा जाता. दॅट इज द message which is being sent out by, it appears, the police at present. So it is my humble request also, and apart from that, a demand with the police on behalf of all the Ambaji people and Chandravada people, that the culprits have to be brought to book immediately, as fast as possible, and we want justice in